Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Monitorix on Debian 12. Monitorix is a free open source lightweight system monitoring system designed to monitor as many services and system resources as possible. It has been created for use with production Linux and UNIX servers, but is also suitable for embedded devices due to its simplicity. Check the OS version by using following command. Check the IP address by using following command. Update the apt repository source list by using following command. Install the Monitorix package by using following command. Start the Monitorix service by using following command. Check the status of Monitorix service by using following command. The service is running. Go to the activities. Open the Firefox. Search the IP address with the port number 8080. Directory name. Click OK. This is the dashboard of Monitorix. The Monitorix installation process has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.